January 2022, and the time right now is 2:45 p.m. and the temperature is minus 28 degrees Celsius, but it feels like almost minus 38 degrees Celsius in Calgary, and the extreme cold alert is still continue. And today I am at the Martelo area in Calgary. This area is pretty much new for me, and let's explore the area first. And I just start my video in Martelo area, and the intersection is 22 Street Southwest and 33 Avenue Southwest. You can see here is a gate, is a Martelo sign over there. I just saw. Listen, and I'll continue my walk on the 22 Street Southwest. And seems like the area is very well maintained, and it's a city. It's just I think 10-minute drive from the city center, and this area has no C-train line, but the bus stop has, like the bus route has very frequent line. I think Martelo. Yeah, I saw so many times the Martelo bus. I think bus number 7. 22 and more, and this area is pretty new, and from the first view I like it. This area is all this newly built apartment here. I don't know what's wrong with my gimbal, is just turning right. And so right now I am at the Garrison Gate and 34 Avenue. So road is pretty slippery. Everyone who is driving on this road, it's every car is getting slip. And wow, at Garrison Gate there is a small plaza. Look at this plaza. It seems like totally like different look from another side of the Calgary. Even though it's extreme cold weather, I am doing the walking vlog in this Garrison Gate, and hope in the summertime will be more beautiful. And wow, this truck is, I think, is perfect for the winter. So on that side also the big plaza, and I think so many store you can find here. And when I was Google about this area, it says you can find everything within your walking distance. It's like maximum 5 minutes walking distance, you can find everything, whatever you need. But one thing, there is so many snow on this area, and look at those all like beautiful townhouses. So Garrison Square. It's all different. You can see all the townhouses. It looks so different from Calgary's other area. And look at this street. Today my gimbal traveling me a lot. I don't know why. It's just turning right automatically. Yes. Maybe it's because of the cold. And there is this is the square. I think summer look will be way more different from the winter. This area looks like, oh wow, look at this little free library. So you can grab a book from here, and city also. Here is the city. So many books are here. Very nice. I saw like a many area in the Calgary, especially in the Crescent Heights area. There is many free library booth. It depends on the neighborhood which area you can see the most. And this area, it looks like to me like a European vibes. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment below. I like this area. I think this area it's pretty new, and all the street in this area is name of the Canada's armed force, like whoever dedicated their life for Canadian armed force. I don't know when is the extreme cold will be gone. My job and this extreme cold weather makes me so mad. Even though I cannot make a time for my video, which I like most to do. Look at this car. And I think one of my subscriber also request me to do a Martelo walk, because Martelo is a pretty big area. So today I just cover the Garrison Gate road and square and surrounding. Wow, look at this house. Oh, sorry. Okay. Maybe I cannot. The car is very fast. Wow, look at these beautiful townhouses. Oh my god, they are so pretty. It looks like different vibes. Like I never walk in this type of neighborhood in Calgary. It looks so different, so different. Wow, it seems like someone just paint the road, like they did the artwork in this road. Look at this. That's so pretty. Let's check out what is this. And all this colorful house. Let's check out what is this. Maybe something in the memory they create in this area. Wow, it looks so pretty. Did you guys notice all the houses here? It's yeah, in this type of weather, it's very hard to like show you guys around. The road is full of snow. I think this car is now not able to drive because I think it's frozen now. Did you guys hear the bird is singing in this extreme cold? And today it's very sunny. Look at the sky. It looks so beautiful. And I will try to show some more. Yes, this area is not like costly and expensive rent. It's nothing like that. And most of the townhouses are newly built. The rent is reasonable, and it's only 10 minutes drive from the city center. And if you take bus, I think 25 to 30 minutes. Nice. And this area has, I already shows the beginning of the video, this area has all these stores within 5 minutes walking distance. Nice. And thank you so much, guys. Look at this. Like, I think this one stone, each one stone is a symbol something. I am not sure about this. What a nice little area. Thank you guys and have a great night.